So, Gorda, you have 5 goals today.
Yes, and I had 1 assist.
So, of the 5 goals, how many were penalty shots?
2.
2.
And I had an assist.
So, how did you know how to shoot the shot that went through the side and out?
Okay, so I was taking off my shin guards and I wasn't ready because it was a corner kick for the other team. And then the ball came to me with no one on me, so I dribbled a little bit and from half court I just shot the ball and the goalie wasn't there and I scored and it just went through the net.
Happy.
Those flowers smell bad.
I know. We're not going to do that again.